Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to bring elements to front here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Bringing an element to the front in Canva is a straightforward process that can serve several design and communication purposes. Once you are logged into your account, you can either create a new design or open an existing project that you're working with. In my case, I'm going to click the create a blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload this to our GPLAF's YouTube channel. Okay, so right now I'm here on the canvas that I'm working with. For example, I'm going to add a video on the left side panel of my dashboard. Say I'm gonna add this dancing girl here, probably somewhere here. All right, or here, and then I'm going to add another video, maybe this one. Let's see. Probably the this fur right here. I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm going to add another photo from the left side panel of my dashboard. Probably this one right here, and then this one. All right. So I'm now arranging all these. I'm going to add another background at the back, which is gonna be this one right here. All right, or maybe this one. Now I'm going to add a text, probably here. Say since it's Halloween, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, like 50, and I'm going to put in something like this. I'm gonna make sure that the text pops out, so I'm gonna put it something like this, maybe a black. There you go. Now, say for example, I want to bring my first image, which is going to be my cover thumbnail on my video up front. All I have to do is click the right click, and there's going to be an option that says layer, and click on bring to front. All right. And from here, obviously what I would do is just arrange all the pieces together. Okay. I'm going to click on this one for now. I'm going to hover this. I'm going to make it like this one, and then I'm gonna add the video here, probably something like this. Now I'm going to make the font go to the front as well. Click on layer and bring to front. All right, now I'm gonna make sure that everything is situated perfectly, and I'm going to click on the play button to see how it goes. All right, because bringing an element to the front in Canva is a method that fixes a lot of issues, ensuring that nothing gets hidden behind other elements intentionally. All right, especially for adding semi-transparent shapes or effects like shadows or glows. Bringing them to the front can create overlays that enhance the overall design, making other elements pop out or appear like they are underneath a filter. These reasons can help ensure your design elements are arranged for maximum clarity, visual appeal, and effectiveness in communication. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on share and download the file as an MP4. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.